An airfield, housing more than 20 transport vehicles carrying kamikaze drones for Ukrainian forces, was destroyed en masse by an Iskander missile strike, the Russian Ministry of Defense reported on October 1, 2025. The airfield is located near the settlement of Lyutyy, east of Chernihiv, about 60 kilometers from the Russian border. Footage shows a large convoy of Ukrainian articulated trucks on the runway, carrying approximately 100 long-range kamikaze drones, AN-196 Lyutyy, before being hit. Previously, it was believed that this particular type of drone was launched primarily from the direction of Chernihiv, over the border with Belarus, allowing them to fly at low altitudes, evading most Russian radars, and only then proceeding to distant targets, against oil refineries within Russia. However, the Iskander ballistic missile struck the airfield, destroying many of the transport vehicles, along with approximately 100 of the UAV. If the reported damage figures are accurate, the monetary damage, with the average drone price around $200,000, would amount to approximately $20 million. It is also estimated that up to 60 Ukrainian soldiers were also eliminated. Chernihiv drones then followed up the attack by hitting trucks attempting to leave the area. The attack near Chernihiv also confirmed that Ukrainian UAV logistics can be tracked and disrupted even before launch. This means that such a Russian operation would reduce the number of attacks on its industrial infrastructure by reducing the number of scarce Ukrainian drones.